Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export your Google Sheets into an image in Google Sheets. So you're going to either want to just do the screenshot shortcut, and it's just going to save as like an image here, or you can file and then download as PDF. Now once you've downloaded into a PDF, you are going to export it. And once you've exported it, you're going to basically just convert PDF to JPEG. There's a way to do that on Adobe Illustrator. I think you can also do it in Canva if I'm not mistaken. Let me just open it in Canva real quick. I think there is a way to basically like open up a PDF file. And then you're going to then later basically export it as like an image. I think like you convert it or something like that. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. It's so simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.